Hello, my name is Doug with Intuit. This short video is a quick overview of the time-saving e-file center for managing e-filings within the Lacerte tax modules. Our customers that use this program feature have told us it can save them up to 16 minutes per return when managing e-file returns. Let's look at the program to see how the e-file center view from the Clients tab makes managing e-files quick and easy. First, I want to point out that I have 2,509 individual client files in my All Clients view. From the Clients tab in the default All Clients view, I will select the e-file center view. This is a more comprehensive view of the status of your e-filings than the e-file clients view and has been designed to manage e-filings in one central location. The e-file center view shows me just clients that have been marked for e-filing. Notice I am now showing only 1,485 clients that are marked to be e-filed. Managing a large number of e-file clients is easy using the e-file center. Let's look at the information it shows about the current e-file statuses of the returns in any states attached to a return that are also marked for e-filing. The federal and state e-file status columns indicate the current e-file status of each return. Some statuses that can appear in the federal and state columns can include: the status fields are blank, the return is not yet complete, so there's no current status. Status is showing ready to send, which indicates the return has passed validation for filing the federal or the state e-file returns, but has not yet been transmitted. Statuses for failed validation. This usually indicates there are critical diagnostic warnings that have not yet been cleared. Next is the status of federal or state rejected. Notice I did not have any real returns to show a reject, but if I did, clicking the reject hyperlink will take you to the diagnostics tab for that client, so you can review the details of the reject message so the return can be corrected and resubmitted. Pre-built filters makes managing e-file clients quick and easy. Let's look at these pre-built filters and how to use them. Many of the pre-built filters have a very specialized intent, for example, to view a specific state e-filing status. I would like to focus on the federal e-file status folder. I'll go to the filters on the navigation bar on the left and select the federal e-file status folder. To open the folder, I'll check the plus sign, and we can see the list of various filters in the order that we would use them. I won't go through every filter, but let's look at the main ones and how to use them. Clicking the failed validation filters all the returns that would not validate, and now I can work through each to correct the errors that are on the Diagnostics tab. Next is the pass validation. These have been validated but not yet sent. I can select them all by pressing the F3 key on my keyboard, and the Client Group Select window will open, and it will default to the All Clients radio button, so I will just press the enter button to select them all. Now I can select the EF Wizard button on the button bar to send them. To retrieve acknowledgments the next day, I just click the Receive Acknowledgments button on the button bar to download them. Clicking the Federal Accepted filter shows me all the returns that were accepted, so I can send those clients acceptance letters or emails if I choose to. Clicking the Federal Reject filter shows me just the files that were rejected, so I can quickly work through each one and retransmit them. Notice we also have State e-file status filter group as well. The filters in the State status folder are similar to the federal filters except for states only. You can also use the Client Status Workflow tool with your e-file center. For example, just create a status of 8879 complete to be set when the file has been reviewed, completed, and the client has signed off on it. This will allow you to go to the e-file center, apply the 8879 status to collect all the returns in that status. Press the F3 key on your keyboard to choose all client files to highlight them. Launch the e-file wizard to validate and send them all at once. This is just one of many time-saving features in the Lacerte tax program. To view a complete list, please go to taxpro.intuit.com/lacerte/time-saving-tools, or go to our website training pages for more information on these and other program features and tools.